Hi friends, after a long time, I've made a video. I solved some people's problems and I was very busy building a tools website. You guys shouldn't focus on my editing because I'm not getting any time at all for editing. In this video, I've shown that I've added paid tools available on the internet to my own site. My subscribers can use them for free. And if anyone wants to create a tools website or any other type of website, they can contact me. If you want to start earning, make sure to subscribe. I'll soon bring unique tricks to this channel that you've probably never seen before because I've developed them myself. If you keep supporting me, you'll get a lot to learn on this channel. In this video, you'll discover tools that you'll likely need at some point in life. If you're a web developer, these tools will be especially helpful and you can even start a business with them. Enjoy the video and let us know in the comments if you'd like to add any other tools.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.